Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download your data from Facebook. So first of all, if you're confused what is that data all about, so it will be your messages, your chat, and some of your videos and everything that you did on Facebook. So for that, you need to use Chrome, you need to have a Facebook account, and also you need to have a good internet speed. So let's start. First of all, log in into your Facebook account, and then go to Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. So as for me, I'm gonna use Chrome. So I'm gonna log into my Facebook account. So right now what you need to do is you need to click on that three button. It looks like a burger, so click there, and in PC you can easily go to same step and go to setting. From that, just scroll down till you found the download your information. So here is it, you can click here easily. So now what you need to do is you have to request a copy first. So before it allowed you to download all at once, there's no option. So now Facebook even give you an option to choose which one you want to download, which one to leave. So for this tutorial, let's just download the posts, or I can download comment, I can download photos. That's it. So I'm just select post. Now what you need to do is you need to scroll down, and then you need to select which format you want to download, whether it be in HTML or be in JSON. And if you download media, make sure you select high quality so that your everything will be in high quality. After you finish all that, just create a file. Now it will take some time to create a file. As you can see, it's still pending. But once it's finished to create a file, it will give you an information, or it will give you some notification that the file is available to download. So after that, you can just click the download button here. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now what you need to do is you need to log in using your password. So now continue. Since I've already downloaded once, I'm going to download twice. So for you, you can just click download, and that's it. It will download the whole information. After you finish the download, what you need to do is you need to go to a page named HTML in this file. Pardon me, what I meant to say is you need to go to a page or a file name index.html inside this zip file. So by open the index, you can see everything that you've been doing in Facebook. So with this, thank you. Please don't forget to like if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe and do comment if you find it helpful. With that,